Hello everyone, this is AI Digital with a brand new topic. Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. S24 Ultra may get a substantial battery upgrade and faster charging. Yes, Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra might become Samsung's first flagship phone to adopt 65-volt fast charging technology. To achieve this, the company is working on adapting the stack design from EV batteries to work with mobile devices. A new rumor says that Samsung is in the stages of prototyping stacked batteries for smartphones. Previous reports said the company is gearing up to start production at its Gyeonan plant in Seoul, but the latest rumor claims that manufacturing equipment required for producing stacked batteries has not yet arrived at the Gyeonan plant. The rumors also state that Samsung is running a pilot manufacturing run for stacked batteries in China. However, limited quantities might prevent the tech giant from applying the upgraded battery technology to entire Galaxy's S24 lineup. Stacked batteries bring several advantages from higher density to better performance and improved charging, and it will boast 65-volt charging speed and higher capacities. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe.